For those of you who are taking academic writing at the university, I'd like to welcome you to the class, this intensive class that's going to occur over the next 3 weeks. I want to just introduce a few of the two main platforms that we're going to be using here and give you a couple of ways of looking at how you can access the course content. We're going to be working in our Moodle website, of course, and all of the links that are provided here in the form of lessons, deliverables, the assignments that we're going to be completing are essentially links to another platform called Notion. And so if you go into Notion, this is going to be the website that I would save in your browser. This is going to be the main website that you can access everything over the course of the next 3 weeks. We're going to have units here. We have 3 different units that you can access. And we have lessons and assignments. Now, the lessons are going to occur in the form of a calendar, and you can toggle between the different options. These are the learning modules, and here are the assignments. And so you can flip back and forth between this different forms of content here that we're going to be using. The assignments are going to be the grade assignments, and the graded assignments are going to correspond to the assignments that are listed here. So again, just a couple of different ways that you can access this. If you're more comfortable using the Moodle platform, then that's perfectly fine. If you go into any of these assignments, you'll have another link to the instructions that will take you to the Notion website with all of the instructions for that particular assignment. We're going to be talking about this the first day of class, but I just want to give you a very brief and broad overview of the 2 main platforms that we're going to be using. Again, if you feel more comfortable working in Notion, then that's the intent. The idea with setting it up in Notion is that that you can move through the course content in an organized way. Again, starting day 1, you'll go into the calendar here under lessons. Lessons are going to be what we are completing in class each day. And you'll see here today is July 21st, and you can access the first lesson for the first day, and you can access the next lesson, and so on. And you can scroll down here and see the information that we're going to be doing. So the idea of making this content available to you is to help facilitate what we're doing and what we're discussing face-to-face. So as we get started, it's always a slight adjustment if you're not familiar with these platforms or the way that we're working with the course content. Please reach out to me if you do have questions, or you're not sure how to access certain content that we're working on. Feel free to reach out to me, and I'll try to help you find what you're looking for. Okay, so again, the main point here, we're going to be using the Moodle platform, and we'll be using Notion to complete our writing course over the next 3 weeks. So I look forward to getting started. And again, please reach out to me if you do have any questions or issues accessing the course content.